I'm going to explain how you could have avoided the crash that happened on the Gold Coast a couple of weeks ago. I've got a computer game running. I've got a UH-1 Bell here. Let's jump in. Wait, why can't I get in? There it is. The UH-1 Bell. Here we go. So, I saw the video of the two helicopters crashing. Well, really, it was one helicopter crashing into another helicopter. And what I think went wrong is I think the pilot gave it too much collective, which is the stick on the left here. That's what makes the helicopter go up and down. He seemed to pull on the collective too much, which I'll do that now. If I yank on the collective, see the helicopter just goes, it gets altitude very quickly. And if you're not looking out the roof, like the Huey, you can actually look out the roof. I think the Gold Coast pilot wasn't able to see out his roof. And you just go straight up, pop up. And unfortunately, he hit his mate. So to prevent that, you just want to ease off on the collective and give it a bit of cyclic, which is the second stick in between the legs. So just let me get the helicopter back on the ground, and I'll show you how I would have taken off where I pilot on the Gold Coast. Did I land that? Yeah, perfect landing. Let's get back in. So, ready to take off, and I give it a bit of collective to get it off the ground. Bit of cyclic, and you see I don't balloon up in the air. I'm flying flat. I'm not reefing that collective all the way to the top. Fly flat, look out the top of the helicopter, and use the other stick, the cyclic, between your legs to fly flat. That way you can see what's in front of you and you're not flying right up into something you may not be able to see above you. That's how I would have handled it. I'm not a pilot, I'm just a guy playing a computer game, but I think I understand the controls of a helicopter, and maybe the Australian authority which oversees aircraft doing the investigation wants to take some advice.